Hello friends, welcome to my channel Expressive Passions. Today I am excited to share a video on Warli painting. I will start by explaining the Warli art form and then provide a step-by-step demonstration on how to create your own Warli painting. Without any further ado, let's begin the video. Warli painting. Warli painting is a traditional form of folk art from the Warli region in Maharashtra, India. It is a unique and ancient art form that dates back to the 10th century. Some of the facts about Warli art are: Warli art is a tribal art form that originated in Maharashtra and is created by the tribal Adivasi people known as Warlis. It is known as a folk style of painting that holds deep cultural significance. The paintings are categorized by simple geometric shape yet intricate design and patterns. The painting uses natural colors like red, yellow, blue, and green, derived from earth, plants, and minerals. Worldly painting depicts elements of natural worlds such as trees, animals, and human figures engaged in agricultural activities. Worldly painting depicts stories from everyday life, mythology, and nature. The paintings are used to adorn the wall of the home, huts, and community spaces, adding a touch of vibrancy and cultural identity to the surroundings. The original Warli paintings were created by using a white pigment made from the mixture of rice paste and water. The artist used a bamboo stick as a painting brush to bring their design back to life. The art form has been passed down through the generation, with each artist adding their own unique style. Some of the Warli art used in clocks, on the backs, on the pillars, on the walls, on the lamps, on the umbrellas, on the pots, on the canvas, on the underpass walls. This reference image are taken from Pinterest and Google just for reference. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.